we have had an accident that we have lost. So far, we are confirming that we have collected 12 bodies from this scene, which and others 2 injured. This is an accident that has occurred involving 2 motor vehicles. One was headed towards the Nairobi direction and another one to Meru direction. So, seemingly, or from the preliminary investigations, is that the motor vehicle that was coming from the Meru direction is not a motor vehicle that normally or regularly uses this road. And we may, or I may assume that the driver did not take to the lane as was expected of him, and had a head-on collision with the other vehicle that was coming from the Nairobi direction.